Hey Eric, Brennan here. So I got all the rough cuts in for the letters and choked them down to the size that I could with taking it off and maintaining a level of square on the rounded letters. Before you had, let's see, where's that tape? Before you had 17-inch letters, now you've got 14.75-inch letters. So that's your 17 right there. 14 and a half, excuse me. So all the letters based off of the T alone needed to get chopped down that distance, and you'll see in the H right here, same exact thing. The H looks pretty good, fat and thick like this and everything. And then we come over to the V. The V, I'll separate this a little bit so you can see it a little bit better. There you go. The upper corners, it does square off flat and everything. I need to add a tiny bit of filler metal there, but then this whole thing is going to need to get recut, which is then going to conversely adjust this line, which is also going to need to cut down. Not seeing necessarily how that's going to cut in, because it's the lines, when you draw them down and tighten them here, it actually brings this point up. So you tighten it here and it pushes it up, but so still working on that a little bit. And the E itself, same exact thing, it just looks a lot smaller. It's the same thing, it's a 14.5-inch letter based off of what the 17-inch letter was. Ours gonna need to get completely redone. And the carrots are totally on schedule and track to get this knocked out and everything. I'm actually gonna use the plasma cutter like I was talking about and knock this out and everything. But I'm waiting to do that because that's a really easy, and taper these down and tighten them up like we were talking about. But that's a pretty easy step of the project. So that's what's going on right now. So I figure now is a good time to talk about it so you can see the letters and everything in contrast to what they were. Again, the letter on the left is 17. The letter on the right is 14.5 inches. And there's the H's, the V's. The V's will require quite a bit more work. And the E's get pretty small. So that's what you got going on right now and everything. So I'm going to send this to you, and let's talk about what the next step is and what your thoughts are. Thanks for watching.